Hello and welcome back to a course of pure mathematics. Today we'll be looking at the terminated decimals. Those are decimals that come to a stop after a finite number of decimal digits. We need to show that any terminated decimal represents a rational number whose denominator contains no prime factors other than 2 or 5 when the fraction is written in its lowest form. We have also asked if the converse is true. That is, can a fraction with only 2 and 5 as prime factors be written as a terminated decimal? Please pause the video and try to solve it on your own. Now, the solution. 0.5, 1.38 and 2.4152 are examples of terminated decimal. More generally, let's call our decimal n.n1 and 2 all the way to nk, where k is the number of digits after the decimal. If we multiply and divide this number by 10 to the power of k, we obtain n, n1, n2 all the way to nk, which is an integer, divided by 10 to the power of k, also an integer, with prime factors of only 2 and 5, hence a rational number. If this is not in its lowest form, we will have to divide the numerator and denominator by 2's and 5, but even after dividing we won't introduce any other prime numbers, like 3 or 7 for instance. For the converse, consider n divided by 2 to the power of a, 5 to the power of b, where n is an integer. Only one of the following must be true. Either a equals b, or a is greater than b, or a is less than b. In each case, we can make the denominator a power of 10 by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by appropriate power of 2 or 5. As we know, each factor of 10 in the denominator increases the number of digits behind the decimal by 1. That is, if we divide by 10 every single time, we'll introduce one more digit. We can see that the decimal terminates. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you on the next one.